Hi guys, I want to take you through this 2023 Passport 3401QD. This has the biggest bunk bed room I've ever seen in a camper, so I'm excited to show you guys. It's pretty unique. As soon as you walk in, you take a right and you're here in the master bedroom. Queen size bed, storage underneath. There's two opposing barn style sliding doors with a magnetic latch for extra privacy to kind of meet them in the middle. End tables are on each side. The left hand end table or nightstand is a little bit longer because you have drawer storage space. And then just below your closet lockers are power outlets and USB ports. So there will be no problem charging your devices at night or even having some sort of bedside lamp. And then here is the closet locker. You also have a shelf that connects all the way across to the other side. There's also different entrances to get into there. Extra sheets, pillowcases, things like that can go in there. A window is on each side and they both open up so you can get a nice little cross breeze. All the way here on the left hand side is a spot for a TV, so you can hang a bracket there if you want. And then just some extra storage space, removable shelves. You can use this for additional closet storage if you want. You can use it for pantry space, whatever you want to do with it. And then turning around, you immediately have storage as soon as you walk in. This can be great for if you need to grab something pretty quickly at a rest stop. All you have to do is just place your steps down and honestly not even have to walk inside the camper. You can just reach in, get to those drawers pretty quickly. There's also a built-in vacuum inside the camper. Comes with a hose. You hook it up and you can sweep up every square inch of the unit, which is pretty nice. Power outlet, so you can have your smaller appliances plugged in right there. Fire extinguisher. And then just above is your control paneling for everything, which is pretty nice. Coming along to the other side of the kitchen, you have extended countertop space. Pass-through storage, so you can get to it from the other side as well. Probably put a trash can there, something like that. A few drawers, stainless steel sink, spray faucet, countertop space, huge window back there. And then you also have a 3-burner stove top with a glass cover, your oven, pots and pans drawer too. Just above, microwave range hood. Even your TV, you can pull that out and change the position of it for a better view or better angle. Turning around to the, slide out your lounging pieces of furniture. Your sleeper sofa, you can extend that out to a sleeping space for extra people. Of course, all of these windows open up, which is really, really nice. And then you have a U-shaped dinette. You're going to need lots of space to fit all of the people that you can sleep in this camper, which I'll show you a really amazing bunk room here in just a few minutes. But this also folds down to a sleeping spot for extra people. Jumbo size storage drawers underneath, and there's also power outlets and USB ports. I also want to point out there is no carpet here in this slide out. This is like an outdoor rug material. Easily sweep up pet hair, food spills, things like that. I forgot to mention the refrigerator. I like that it's black. I think it looks really nice. Barn style sliding door leading into the bathroom. You also have an outside entrance, so if you have a lot of kids running around, they need to use the restroom, they don't have to track all of that dirt, mud, grime into your camper. They can just easily come in through the outside entrance. Same thing with your guests. Foot flush toilet, sink with storage down below, medicine cabinet, and then you have your shower. It has a little bit of a deep flooring in it, so really water doesn't have to get all over the floor because it kind of steps down just a little bit. Not a tub surround, but a smaller version of that. Angled ceiling. The taller section is where the shower head goes so that you do not hit your head when you're trying to take a shower. You also have a vent fan too. And then across the way, you can use this for bathroom storage. Again, same thing like up front. Clothes rack, removable shelves. Another storage compartment down below. And then this is my favorite part of the entire camper. You have a pocket style door, but as soon as you walk in, you have 4 bunks in this whole back area. So really they are double over double bunks, and you have 4 of them. You can honestly have 8 people sleeping here pretty comfortably depending on size. Windows are everywhere. There's also built-in ladders. They are wood so that no one falls and hurts themselves. The top bunk is rated for 150 pounds. So you know, kiddos and stuff can sleep up there, some adults, things like that. But pretty cool USB ports. Each one has their own little reading light. Just an idea. The top bunks have the windows, however. Another huge window back here. Power outlets are everywhere. There's even closets, built-in storage spaces. This whole area, which is super awesome. Already a TV is back here, and it's ginormous. It's on top of an entertainment center where you can put even more clothing or toys, board games, video game systems, whatever you want. It's just a very awesome place to go. But the sliding door, you can kind of close it off, and your kiddos can be super loud, and you don't even have to hear it. Walking outside, all the way at the front is your power tongue jack, 2 20-pound propane tanks, fiberglass front cap and siding. There's some diamond plating to just help protect and preserve your front cap. Pass-through storage as well, and it's a slam latch door. Powered awning, and both of your entrances are protected, so you can still be able to go inside if it's raining, and you're still protected. Friction hinge on both of your doors as well. Oversized grab handle on each entrance, and both of them have solid steps too. This also has power stabilizing jacks, extended season camping, and features a solar panel on it since this is a 23 Keystone. All of your 22s and 23s feature a solar panel. Bracket for a TV, hookups for a TV as well, outside of your furnace. Moving along, you also have outside speakers, spare tire, rear ladder, and then you are pre-wired for a backup camera. On your non-camping side, you have 2 more slide outs. Access to your water heater as well. And then the really neat thing about Passports is they have all of your water hookups located in the same area. So this is typically what you see in fifth wheels, but we have it here on the travel trailer. So starting from the top is your multi-source signal controller for your key TV. Here's where you can extend and retract those stabilizing jacks. Outside shower as well, so you can hook up a nozzle, fresh and steady water connection. You can run your hoses down through here to be able to close off this pass-through storage. But any extra questions or concerns about the Passport 3401 QD, let us know.